Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Samsung Galaxy S23. And to do this you will need to open the Google Play Store. Right here try to find Firefox. Select it and then click on the install. When it's ready, you should be able to launch it, and right here you can choose a different theme. Also pick the toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, switch the privacy settings, and read the privacy notice. Finally, let's click on start browsing, open any website, and as you can see, it works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.